Use a pry bar to pry open the trim panel at the front of the main unit. Pry open the control panel. Lift the panel upwards. Unplug the power lead after removing the panel. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 screws on the main unit. Take precautions by using a towel or similar item. Move the gear lever all the way back, and carefully remove the main unit. The video cable disconnected from the host computer. The connector under the mouse is either a 4-pin or a 10-pin connector. If it is a 4-pin connector, when connecting the cable, only plug in the 4-pin connector. Do not plug in the 10-pin connector, and vice versa. Connect our wiring to the original vehicle wiring. Press and hold the menu button to check whether the test function is working properly. The video cable emerges from the rear of the main unit. The remaining cables run out from beneath the main unit to the passenger side. The microphone cable runs beneath the panel and can be secured on the driver's side. The AUX cable runs from beneath the dashboard and cup holders into the armrest compartment. The module can be secured underneath the glove box. Reassemble the parts you removed earlier in the order in which they were taken apart.